As part of routine vehicle maintenance, drivers should have their tires balanced about every 3,000 to 6,000 miles or after 1 to 2 years, whichever comes first. But they often confuse balancing with alignment. We sort this out next. Aligning wheels involves adjusting their angles so that they're parallel to each other and perpendicular to the ground. Tire balancing, on the other hand, distributes weight equally around the circumference of the tire. Wheels that are out of balance can cause vibrations while driving. It also results in premature wear of suspension and steering components and tires. So it's important to balance tires when new tires, rims, or wheels are being installed, when rotating the tires, when repairing the tires, or after your customer's car hits a large pothole. Tire imbalance can develop over time as the tire tread wears down through regular use and the distribution of weight changes. And it can increase when tires are subjected to excessive stress by driving on poor roads, hard braking, and cornering. It's important to educate customers about the signs of an imbalance of one or more tires. When one or more tires are out of balance, there are several common indicators. The car experiences vibration at high speeds, there is uneven wear on the tread, there is an increase in fuel consumption, and there are issues with the suspension. I'm Mary DellaValle, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Studio at Babcox Media. Thank you for watching.